All right, another quick market recap on the day, 26th August. So today was kind of interesting. Looks like the upward momentum was stronger than the downward momentum here. Market open, we pushed up and quickly dipped there for a little bit. Now, of course, I drew a trend line at about 707, somewhere there, 708. I wanted to see if we would breach below this level of 708 throughout the day. We came close to it at around 11:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. We came close to it, but we did not breach that level. And looks like we pushed up on the upside. So the upward momentum was pretty strong there. And if we can see, the MACD gave us a good indication of momentum, and the RSI, the reversal, getting into that overbought territory. But of course, slight pullback at market close, slight pullback, but the 9-day EMA essentially stayed above the 21-day EMA throughout the end of the day and into market close. And look at that, after market close, looks like we have some nice push to the upside on this one. This is basically why I do not hold trades overnight whenever I'm trading. Okay, if I hold a trade overnight, I have to have significant time on it, but QQQ is one of those. I just want to be in and out intraday. I do not care about what the stock is going to be doing tomorrow. Okay, but yeah, today was pretty interesting. We did not see the pre-market low there. We did not see the low of the day, so it kept on making higher lows. And if we zoom back out, since Monday, we notice since Monday, the low point for Monday was 702.70, and we kept on making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and looks like the momentum to the upside is pretty strong on this one. A good indication. I always use this on the daily to give me a good indication of the market overall, in my opinion. We have SanDisk up on the day 1.21%. After market hours pushed up a little bit more, 3.83%. So the majority of the movement in this stock was after market hours right there, 3.83%. That's the majority of the movement. Now trading at $1,556. Nice movement after market. We love that. PLTR as well. We do have it up on the day by 2.74%. After market pushed up a little bit, 1.9%. Trading at 177.80 on the day. Oracle looks like during the day pushed up 2.84% during market hours. After market hours, 1.53% on the upside. So overall, it was a winner on the day. All right. HPE. Oh my God, I love this stock. This stock right here is one of my long-term strategies that I would like to employ over the long run. You can read about this company, see what they do, of course, do your own research on it before even deciding to invest in it. But this stock has been on the upside month over month, year over year, okay? And it's got a nice steady growth over time. So if we look at the day, it's up 3.31%. After market hours, 1.49%. All right. The ticker symbol for this one is HPE. So it's HP Enterprises. So trading at $56. If we look at the week, it's up 2.62%. Okay. If we look at the month, it is up 16.34%. If we look at 3 months, it is up 47.76%. If we look at year to date, it is up 130.77%. 1 year, it is up 148.47%. Okay. 5 years, it is up 282%. This one takes the mantle as far as the next stock I'm really gonna focus on heavy in terms of long-term investments. Okay. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion about this stock. NBIS up on the day. basically after market hours was the majority of the movement. So during market hours, it was down 3.57%. After market hours, pushed up 6.50%. So it basically drowned out the negative movement throughout the day. So right now it's trading at 227.95. Great movement after market. AMD during market hours up 0.38%. After market hours pushed up a little bit more, 0.32%. NVDA, today they had their earnings on this one here. During market hours, it was down 1.46%. After market hours pushed up that 3.87%. So right at market close was about 210. Dropped all the way to about 207, I believe 206. When the earnings were being presented there, pushed back up on the upside, 220. So we'll see how it opens up tomorrow. I think that they beat their earnings on this one. So estimated earnings per share was going to be 2.09. And they came out with $2.22. So they beat their earnings, pretty nice. But of course, with earnings, the forward guidance of the stock is also what controls the movement or contributes to the movement or how it reacts after that earnings call. Okay, but we'll keep our eyes on this one. I did a sympathy play on this one, so hopefully I can get whatever little dollars I can get from it at market open. So we'll see. Amazon on the day, it is up on the day. So during market hours, it was down 0.30%. After market hours, pushed up 0.77%. So overall, positive day, not bad. CoreWeave, same thing. During the day, it was down 0.03%. After market hours, up 5.51%. So nice push up to the upside. Guess what? Nvidia had their earnings pushed up from closed at 210 for Nvidia, dropped to 206 and pushed up all the way to 220. So CoreWeave is in bed with Nvidia in a way. So it will contribute to some of this movement. All right? I'm not going to say it's solely because of Nvidia, but there's a significant contribution from Nvidia to CoreWeave's movement. Okay, but yeah, nice movement after market, pretty good. We like it. Trading out at $92.86 when it closed at about $88. Okay. Apple is up on the day, 1.16%. During market hours, after market hours, it is down 0.63%. Alrighty. So most of these stocks are pretty much on the upside, following the last week and a half that we've been selling off. It makes sense that a recovery, or they're trying to recover or find a new level of resistance. So we'll keep our eyes open. It's only Wednesday. So I got 2 more trading days in the week. It might be a rag pull at the end of the week, so just be vigilant. Microsoft is up on the day. During market hours, 0.91%. After market hours, pushed up 0.11%. Trading at 496.72. Okay. Intel up on the day as well, 0.89%. During market hours, after market hours, it is up 1.50%. So a lot of these basically had some significant movement after market. I would say Nvidia has a huge role in that, and whatever positive news that we've gotten, or positive catalyst overall. Netflix, of course, the stock that never fails to disappoint. It is down on the day 0.94%. After market hours went even lower, 0.56%. Okay, not bad though for Netflix. On the week we're up 3.50%. So for Netflix, pretty good. Hopefully we see better prices on this one. All right, but that's pretty much it on this market recap. Same thing with the Nasdaq ETF here, QQQ. We can actually see most of the gains on the day were after market, pushed up from 711 all the way to about 718 right there. So tomorrow's market open is going to be very interesting. We're going to see if this momentum is going to continue. All right. Again, thank you for tuning in. That's pretty much all I had for y'all today. You have yourselves a good one.